Hey guys, a brand new training video on how to use Mint. Okay, so basically, when you log in into your Mint account, you're gonna come into a dashboard like looks exactly like this. Okay, it's actually very easy to use. So let's get started now. To for you to add your campaign, or maybe for you to create your campaign or your funnel, or whatever you want to call it, it's very simple. Just click on this plus icon here, this blue plus icon. Okay, when you click on it, it's going to load this up. All right. Likely, the very first time you log into your account, you are also going to see something like this. But if you don't see it, no problem. And if you log into your account or you've already created some funnels and you log in, you don't see this, just come down here all the time, click on the blue icon here, and you are good to go, right? So when you open it up, you're going to have three different campaign types, right? There's the binary, there's the multiple, there is rating. Okay, so depending on the niche you are, depending on what you want to create, okay, it comes down to what do you want to do, right? What kind of campaign do you want to create? What is your goal? Okay, that whatever your goal is or whatever your final target is, your niche, your audience, the kind of campaign you want to run, that tells you exactly the one to pick up here. So to make it so easy, I'm just going to go ahead and pick up a binary. It's pretty much the easiest and of course the most used as well. So in binary here, let's say we want to do something on I don't know, vacation. Okay, let's say I want to do something on vacation. I could say something like all right. So something like where would you like to spend your summer? I could say that maybe I'm trying to sell a vacation package. Maybe I'm selling a luxury lifestyle, or maybe I'm selling a resort packages or whatever. So I could enter something like that, right? And remember, there are just about 64 character space for you to enter here, so you have to utilize it properly, right? Then you're gonna click on add image. Well, basically, if you already have an image in your desktop, go for it. Click here to upload, or maybe you can just go down there, search Google, and grab a link to any image, put it down here, or maybe come down. If you already have some image in the library, maybe an image you already uploaded, very simple. Go ahead, grab it, put it in there, or maybe you want to search for any image. So let's search for something like Bahamas. Okay, we could still load more images. Okay, load more till we get what we want. Like we find an image that we feel like, oh, all right, this is cool. I like this one or something like that. So personally, for me, I love this. I'm just gonna use this. It's gonna take a while. The image is pretty big, so it's gonna import it and then store it locally for you. So next time you can use it. So basically, but this is it. All right. Now, if you don't like the image that you imported, or maybe it's not resized very well, and you don't like it, remember you can drag up. If you don't like the image that you imported, simply just click here and you'll be able to delete it. Now, if you like the image and maybe you want to resize it or you want to place it properly, just drag it around and you'll be able to place it properly. But in this case, I want to find an image that is a bit different. Let me find something else for Bahamas. First, let me type in here Bahamas. I'm going to find something else. All right. Then I'm going to come here. I'm going to say Maldives. All right, so I have Bahamas, I have Maldives, but do remember one thing, extremely important. You can import your own images, something like that. It's totally up to you. You can import your own images, you can upload it from your computer, whatever, right? You can use the direct link. So go on ahead and use whatever image you feel works for you, or whatever image you feel represent whatever you want to do much better, right? Then you're gonna scroll down here, makes it easier. From here, you should be able to like customize colors. Maybe I don't want my text to be. I can change this up. All right, you see, the text went from gray to being green, right? Maybe I don't want it to on a white background. Maybe I want it on a yellow background. Okay, so you see the second test. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and choose a background. Hold on. All right. Okay, this goes for this background. Maybe I want. Maybe I can just keep this on black. I can just go ahead, keep it on black. Now maybe if they're coming to my funnel and they choose Maldives, I want to send them somewhere, or maybe they go ahead and choose Bahamas. I want to go ahead and send them somewhere else. It's too easy to do. I'm just going to go ahead and choose this option that says auto redirect. I'm just going to type in the links for Maldives and the Bahamas. All right. Now, if I don't want that, maybe I want to get their email list. It's as simple as choosing request opt-in. All right. Now, when I say request opt-in, basically what happens here is brings out where I'm going to type in something like, say, congrats. You won a free weekend to Maldives. Now, unfortunately, when if I just use this directly the way it is, if whether the audience votes for Bahamas or they vote for Maldives, they're gonna get the same thing. But we are trying to like capture these guys and probably put them on different lists depending on what the action that they take. So I'm gonna come down here and I'm gonna uncheck this box that says same opt-in content. Alright, you see what happens now? What happens now is that it pops up two different options for me. One for Bahamas, one for Maldives. And now I can configure them. I can say, congrats, you won free night at Bahamas. Or I can come to this one and say, awesome, you got a free trip to Maldives. You know, totally, you can now customize the opt-in from the get to see for depending on the kind of option that they make, which is actually amazing because that's like what we really build this thing for. And down here, you should be able to customize the button, something like a book flight now. You know, or something within this range, right? And you know, customize your button color and all that stuff, right? And then you should be able to choose your email list. Right there, we have connected get to response, all right? And you'll see I can choose one of my lists from get response. You know, it's just a test account, but then depending on your email list that you connected, you are going to see a bunch of lists, and from there you should be able to select where you want each subscriber added to when they opt in to your mailing list, right? When they opt in, right here. But then for this one, I'm just gonna come down here and do auto redirect URL, and I'm gonna put in two links: HTTP Bahamas.com and this should be Maldives. Bear in mind, everything I'm using here is just a sample. Okay, and do remember there are other options like display banner. This is actually very perfect for people who shop online, who sell e-commerce products and physical products online. It's actually very online because it's actually very powerful for them, because you can make this button that just says shop now, add to cart, buy now, and stuff like that, and they put it whenever someone votes, right? And then you have the request to share. If you want to share this on social media, you want people to share it on social media and help you generate more traffic. Now, once I'm done, what I can try to do is preview. All right. Now, on the preview, you should be able to see exactly what you've created, right? You'll see it for desktop. You should see for mobile phones. You see it now looks for mobile phone. It's kind of optimized automatically, and then again for mobile landscape, still well optimized, right? So if you are satisfied with what you see, just come back down to edit, and then you should be able to instantly save it. All right, once it's saved, you could say the activity stream that here is empty. The only other thing remaining is for you to actually publish it, right? So click on share and embed if you want to publish it. Now you could see we have like multiple publishing options right here. There is this iframe, all right. There is script, all right. There is web page. Now this web page, I'm just going to show you this first. For web page, now when you click on this is what happens here. We host this thing for you automatically. You could see it basically tells them Emma would like to know, and this Emma would like to know. Emma is the name of my account. So if your name is say Mark, it will have here your picture, and it will have something like Mark would like to know where would you like to spend your summer, Bahamas, Maldives, and now whichever one I choose takes me to an option, right? It votes here automatically. Once you click on it, it votes, and then it takes me all the way. And when I come back here, you should be able to see an activity. This takes me now to Maldives.com. Now when I come back to the dashboard and they reload this activity stream, you should be able to see activity coming from me. Okay, I'm going to show you some of them that we've already used and had activities on. Now, one more thing, you could see this share button of Facebook, of Twitter, and Google+. Now, what this allows you to do is to share the content, whatever you created, right on this on the news feed of this social network. All right, the most powerful so far being Facebook, because it allows you to not just share them, but you are able to actually use them. Like your audience are able to interact with them right inside the Facebook news feed. Be able to take action right inside the news feed, right inside your page posts. Unlike for Twitter and for Google Plus, where we use cards, and then at the end of the day, we redirect you to where you finally take action, right? So it's as simple as just clicking on the share button. No, this pops up, all right? It pops up, and just whatever. If you want to enter something, you can share it on fan pages that you own, fan page that you manage, in a group, whatever. You can share it practically anywhere. But I'm just going to go ahead and cancel this. Now, when you share it, your audience can start interacting directly with your poll, with your funnels, with your campaigns. Okay. So now, if you scroll down here, as you can see, my activity already popped up. You can see it here. All right, it's already popped up right here. Where would you like to spend your summer? It talks about me, where I'm voting from, and what I voted. As you can see, I voted for Maldives, and it already has that within the activity stream right here. All right. So this iframe and the script, what you really just do here is, for whichever one you want to use, just copy it, and it goes straight to your website, your landing page, whatever you want to publish it on, whatever you want this thing to show up. Just copy this code, paste it there. If you don't know how to do it, get your tech guy to do it for you, and boom, you already have this showing on your site, and you could start using it instantly. All right. Now I'm going to go and show you one more cool thing, collections, and how you can actually build collections. Okay, so let me just click on collections here. As you guys know, collections, same with auto redirect URL, are all platinum features. So if you don't have platinum, you can't access any of this feature. Now, from this account, you can see that I've not created any collections, right? So let's go ahead and create one. And if you don't know what a collection is a bundle of your posts, a bundle of your funnel, so that you actually build something more addictive, something more congruent, right? Maybe you want to know where someone likes to spend their summer and what they like to eat. You know, like collections allows you to do just that. So I'm just going to go ahead and add a new collection. All right, you can see exactly the kind of posts I already have here. You could just check any of them, check the boxes, boom, boom, boom. Once you check the boxes, they will all appear here, right? The more you have, the more you can take the boxes and they will appear. And the good thing is you can just literally drag and drop. Maybe I want this to be the best thing. Where would you like to spend your summer? Maybe I want this to be here. Hold on. All right, cool. Maybe I want this to be at the front or something else, or that. So whatever you want, you could just literally drag and drop. Okay, it's just drag and drop easy, and then you just add the collection name. All right, then you save. Okay, and then you can copy it and they publish it whatever you want to use it. Just same thing like the normal thing I just showed you. Just copy and publish. Way too easy, right? Now let me go and show you something else right inside your mains app account that is going to be really powerful for you. It's very important that you know where this is. Now when you come into your account, click on this arrow here. It brings out my account. Click on this link. Takes you to your profile. Right now, right here on your profile, this is where you get to like add your password, add a lot of stuff. But here's what's important. You see this called my subscriber, and then this another tab called email apps. Now when you click on email apps, right, it's going to show you all the email services you could connect to right this moment. Okay, as you can see, we only have GetResponse connected. You could connect many other ones, and we are adding more features, more email apps to this particular platform. But right now we had a total of 8, and these are like the 8 major ones, starting from Aweber to MailChimp, Campaign Monitor, GetResponse, iContact, Custom Contact, Active Contact, Benchmark Mailer. All of them, these are the top guys. So we hope that you won't find email apps wanting in this platform, and they will be adding more and more as we continue to develop and improve the platform. All right, this will help you to collect leads, which is really powerful for running your mains campaign. Now even if you don't have an email app, so to say, we built another feature because we wouldn't want that to be a limiting factor. We built another feature right into this platform called My Subscriber. So whenever somebody subscribes, even if you don't have an email app active, what it does is it collects the detail, which is the full name, the email address, and what they subscribe to, the day they subscribed, right? And then it packs them here, and whenever you want, you could easily just come check everybody that you want to export, and then export them right from here. You have them in a CSV file, and then you can upload it to your own mailing list and start sending them an email or whatever you want to do with it, right? So it's so easy to use this platform, and as you guys know, we will be helping you, succeed with this platform. We are here for the long haul, and we will support you. So if you have any questions, just send us an email, and they will do our best to respond and help you achieve massive results with this platform. Thank you, and speak soon.